KanzoPack is a professional flexible packaging enterprise based in Guangdong, China, with mature packaging technology and extensive experience. We deliver the ultimate packaging solutions through strictly quality-controlled core processes, including film extrusion, graphics and pre-press, laminating and bag making, integrating development and production. As an efficient enterprise, KanzoPack is equipped with advanced high-tech machinery to meet customer product requirements to the fullest. Our product range includes stand-up pouches, spout pouches, coffee packaging, flat-bottom bags, film rolls, and more. We are certified by BSCI, ISO 9001, and BRC. Our dry laminating machines, solvent-free laminating machines, computer-integrated bag-making machines, and other supporting equipment ensure the quality and stability of our products. Additionally, we offer a diverse selection of raw materials to meet customers' customized needs.